Hey everybody, welcome back to Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home. First of all, I'd like to thank everybody on my channel for subscribing, as well as the TSC, and you can check us out at www.theshavingcadre.com. We're doing a little bit of an old school shave today. KJ, aka the Spider, on the Cadre, shaved the other day with a Gillette red tip SuperSpeed, so I decided to dust this thing off and do it. It's got an Astra SP blade on it. Also with the old school theme, we're going to go with a Rubberset 404 with a TGN Finest knot, and then Williams mug shaving soap in a TSC shaving mug. For the aftershave and EDT, we will be using vintage Ice Blue Aqua Velva, and then not so vintage, the Royall Yacht EdT. And of course, we'll be using the Proraso Alum and the Proraso Talc powder. So hope everybody's doing good for a Monday. And of course, you know, Williams has its detractors as well as its fans. I happen to be a fan, and I think if you treat it right, it's a lot like Mitchell's Wool Fat. You know, you get the water ratio right, you get it, and it's probably one of the slickest soaps out there, no matter what. I mean, it just, and it builds well if you soak it and you do it right. I think it does real well. Just a pure, clean, soapy scent. And it usually doesn't require too much additional water, obviously, if you've soaked the puck and the brush together, which is what I do with Williams. Super slick stuff. In fact, sometimes you can't even hold on to everything. Had a good Zoom call last night. There's probably not one subject that we did not talk about. Some I won't even talk about now because it's kind of, it's got a burned imprint on my psyche. But don't forget that we have our Wednesday night Zoom call. And that's kind of our TSC family game night. We have some various games that we play. It's a lot of fun because usually we have a lot of the spouses show up, so it's more of a family night, which is kind of cool. Unfortunately, KJ Spider can't show up because he's now back to calling bingo at his local VFW on Wednesday nights, and we thank him for taking care of the veterans. The red tip is, as KJ had mentioned in his video, is the most aggressive of the super speeds, but that in itself, I wouldn't call it an aggressive razor, but it's fun razor to use, easy to use, just a classic. And what's amazing is what they're going for now. Compared to the fact that they were a whopping $1.99 back in the day. You know, Williams is not got the biggest cushion, the prettiest lather, but I'll tell you, very hard to find a soap as slick as Williams. And even the new version is not bad. That's what this is. I would like to get a puck of the menthol. Hint, hint, KJ. As I've never tried it, and I think it'd be kind of fun to try it. And as I said, slippery is all get out. And also, like KJ said, the SuperSpeed is just basically a zombie shave. You can do whatever you want, and you're going to get a decent shave and not too much chance of injury. Because although as aggressive for the SuperSpeed line, overall, not an aggressive razor, in my opinion. Of course, depending on the blade. Residual slickness on it under the what I call dry residual slickness, meaning without adding any additional water, is tremendous. And then if you add water, it's off the charts. So clean up, fool's pass. All of these things are extremely easy with Williams. In fact, I would say for a shaving soap that's so inexpensive, it's one of the best for both DES, or all three, DESE and straight razor shaving. Okay, that Astra blade I think is starting to go away a little bit, but not too bad. Let's see how we did with the alum. Yeah, zero feedback, nothing. Again, not probably the most skin nourishing of shaves, but it's Williams. It's classic, old school. If I could figure out where to put up most of my Avon stuff, which when I rearranged, I have no idea. So it's here somewhere. But anybody who says you can't get lather out of Williams, there's plenty of lather left. I mean, you just got to work it right. Sticking with the Williams theme, we're going to use Aqua Velva. I wish it was the vintage juice. It's not. I've used that, but it is in the vintage bottle. and all the goodness of the high alcohol, inexpensive aftershave that we all love. That just Aqua Velva is just such a classic. It's just good stuff, period. Actually, I'm going to call an audible here. I think I'm going to use the Menon shave talc. Not too much of it left. And I don't have any of the Aqua Velva shave talc, which I've been looking to purchase. Because nothing says old school shave like asbestos-laden talcum powder. That was a joke. Not a very good joke, but it was a joke. A little bit more. So lots of happy times on the TSC as we get closer to the holidays, you know, with everything that's been going on with COVID-19 and everything else. Our Halloween shaves usually come up looking really, really neat. Then, of course, we have the holiday Rudolph gift exchange, the Frosty card exchange. So hopefully, you know, we will ring out this debacle that's been 2020 with good, you know, good news all the way around. Using the Royall Yacht EdT, just a really nice, bright, aquatic eau de toilette. Actually, it almost has got the strength of an eau de parfum. Very, very nice. But if you have not tried any of the Royal products, please do. I believe you've got Royal Yacht, you've got Royal Lime, Royal Musk, Royal Mandarin, and then I believe there's Royal Club. I believe it's Club or Rugby, and then you've got Royal Noir. I think those are the five. And you can buy those in the small little sample packs before you buy the full bottles. The one nice thing about the full bottles, especially in the EDT, the all-purpose lotion, and the cologne, is they come with atomizers, which is kind of cool in the large 4-ounce versions. Okay, that's my shave for today, folks. I certainly appreciate it. If you have not visited the Shaving Cadre before, please do so at www.theshavingcadre.com. We hope you have a wonderful Monday and a wonderful rest of the week, and we'll see you again. This has been Barber Dave's Barbershop at Home. Have a great day.